This is Smokehouse, and today we're what's the matter there, big guy?
I got this, big hoe.
Big hoe? Big hoe? She can't keep getting away with this. This is war. Pizza war. Today, we're doing Bradley, be fine.
We're doing pizza wars.
Mommy.
All right, boys versus girls. This should be
boys versus girls. Let's go.
Ooh.
Mitch, you gotta film.
Yeah, dude, you're the cameraman. You gotta. So get your ass back there, okay?
Sorry, man. My bad, guys.
Okay, so we have a combo of cheese here that's just mozzarella and Parmesan. We have obviously pepperoni, garlic and onion that I minced, some fine tomatoes, and then I just have my seasonings and some sugar. Seasonings are just your basic rosemary, thyme, basil, and oregano.
Danny got the toppings covered, so I just whipped together some dough, a couple grams of sourdough starter, some flour, olive oil. You let it sit overnight, and then we'll shape it and stick it in the smoker.
You want me to do my thing? Are you in a rush for your your draft?
Let's do it.
When do you have to pick?
I have no idea yet.
Soon?
I have no idea yet.
Okay. Today we're gonna be making a barbecue pizza. So we got our fresh mozzarella. We're gonna throw this onion on the grill for a little bit just to soften it up. We've got some homemade barbecue sauce. Check out the Instagram for the ingredients. And then our secret weapon, smoked pork belly.
Yeah, boy.
Did this yesterday.
What the hell?
We didn't know you could smoke the ingredients.
I thought we were just smoking the pizzas. That's not fair.
It's gonna taste better. Who said we could do that?
You know what, hey, don't even worry about it. I have a secret weapon.
Well, she's obviously gonna know how to do this better than me because she's the dough hoe.
That's right, we're gonna kick your ass.
Hey, why don't you just shut your gorgeous mouth.
So we're gonna put this on the grill. We're gonna put it on just like the pizza stone. And then when we're ready to flip it, we'll take the stone off and get it on the grill directly, get those grill marks.
Pop it open.
Okay, sauce, then do this, maybe sauce on top after. I don't know, what are your thoughts?
I think that's a good idea. I like the sauce on the bottom.
I think it's a good idea. Are you recording already? Uh-huh. Dude, this guy with this fantasy.
Dude!
We're here cooking. Who drafts all by themselves on a Sunday afternoon?
Losers.
We've decided that we're gonna put the barbecue sauce on the bottom and just put it on the bread directly. And then we'll do our toppings, our cheese, and maybe we'll drizzle a little bit on top. Definitely intentional rustic cut onions. Intentionally rustic.
Okay, you got sauce.
Oh, hey, you guys are doing it wrong.
Sauce first?
Yes, I think
Thanks for noticing.
Yeah, and you don't have to use all of it. I don't know if you're a freak like Hunter and you're.
Or we blind bake them.
Right.
I think it'll be fine to have more sauce.
You guys are gonna lose.
Great. Here's your extra large pepperoni.
Listen, it's fancy, okay?
Oh, Braden's here, everybody! So we brought Braden here. He's gonna be our taste tester because he's our Italian!
Are you Italian?
No. Welcome to the Smokehouse. Dude, I just envy your Traeger so much. I'm so jealous.
Why?
Because it's just so much bigger than mine.
I mean, nah, dude. Size isn't everything.
Yeah? You think so?
Yeah. You're just great. It's all about performance.
Danny, why are you shaking your head at me right now?
It's not her fault you bought a small Traeger.
So this is Braden. He's actually the guy that does all the marketing for the Smoke Hose. And since he's Italian, we thought he was really credible for this taste test.
I'm actually not Italian.
Shut up, Braden.
Okay. Perfect. I'll start with this one here.
Daddy.
Dough, it's really nice, it's crunchy, but not dried out. It's incredible. You can really feel the the smokiness coming through on the pork belly. Cheese is great, onions are a nice taste, and this sauce is killer. This is money. Same thing here, crust is really great, nice and crisp. This is like a 10 out of 10 for your traditional pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni's great, cheese is really well balanced, there's not too much, not too little. And again, sauce is great. Both really stellar pizzas, but there's gotta be a clear winner, and I think I've gotta go with the pork belly, the sauce on
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Get Smoke Hose!
No offense.